friends, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm back with a brand new product review. And in today's video we are going to review the Amul butter garlic and herbs flavored butter. So this is the Amul garlic and herbs butter spread. This is what we are going to review today. So today in the supermarket when I was going for shopping, I came across the Amul garlic and herbs buttery spread. I thought about going ahead and trying it out and also making a video so that you guys know about it as well. So today we are going to review the Amul garlic and herbs buttery spread. So this is not a normal butter, this is a Amul butter with the flavor of garlic and herbs in it. And right here is the Amul mascot, the Amul girl. And then they have the Amul branding right on top, like the Amul butter, they have the Amul branding right here. Then it says garlic and herbs buttery spread right here. Then there's an illustration of the bread with the butter spread on it, and they have shown some garlic and some herbs here, right? Moving on to the side, again here we have the Amul garlic and herbs branding here on both the sides, on two sides here. And on the other side they are given the nutritional information and the ingredients. So let's look at the ingredients. So ingredients are pasteurized table butter, which is your normal Amul butter, garlic herbs, masala, garlic powder, which consists of garlic powder, garlic flakes, oregano leaves, ghee and salt. It contains fermented natural colors to give it that color, like give it that deep yellow color, I guess. So you can, on the back side they have mentioned a recipe here to make homemade garlic breads. So let's look at the recipe. So they say apply the Amul garlic and herbs buttery spread on both sides of the slice of bread. Partially bake the bread by placing it either in the oven or on a preheated tawa for 1 to 2 minutes. Turn the slices and bake till the bread turns golden brown and crisp. Enjoy homemade Amul garlic bread with family and friends. So they are giving you a recipe to make garlic bread at home. So you can use this garlicky spread to make garlic bread at home, which is amazing. The shelf life of the Amul garlic and herbs buttery spread is 6 months from packaging. When refrigerated at 4 degrees Celsius or below. You should always keep it under refrigeration. Here it's a completely vegetarian product, that's why they have mentioned the vegetarian mark right here. So the net worth of the product is 100 gram, and the MRP of the Amul butter garlic and herb spread is rupees 49. So it's priced at rupees 49. The normal Amul butter is priced at rupees 45 per 100 grams. This is priced at rupees 49. A little more than your normal Amul butter, which is fair enough pricing here because they have added the garlic and herbs in this. So guys, yeah, let's go ahead and unbox it and see how does the Amul garlic and herbs buttery spread look like. And first of all, inside again we have another cover like the normal Amul butter. We have another cover in here, and this time we can see it has a green colored print on it which says Amul garlic and herbs buttery spread is written on it. And you all can see what else is there, and they are written the marketed by Amul etc. Marketed by Gujarat Cooperative Milk Marketing Company etc. is mentioned here. So there's the Amul branding is on top of it. So let's go ahead and remove this paper, the butter paper on top of it. So look at it. So guys, here you all go. This is the butter here. It has melted a bit because I kept it out. So it has melted, but it has strong garlic and herbs, oregano aroma to it. Very strong garlic and oregano aroma to it, and it's more deep yellow in color compared to your normal Amul butter. So let's go ahead and do a taste. Let's apply it on a piece of bread, or slice of bread, and try it out. So here I have a brown bread with me. So we'll quickly apply it and try it out. Here we are taking a slice of bread, a butter knife, and here we go. Just take a nice dollop of the buttery spread on the knife and just apply it all over the bread slice. So here guys, we have applied the buttery spread, and it just made the aroma is just so tempting and delicious that just I can't wait to try it out. So guys, here it goes, the taste test of the Amul garlic and herbs buttery spread on a brown bread slice. Here we go. Mmm, very buttery, nice and garlic flavor, garlic and herb flavor in it. Very yum. This thing on toast will definitely taste much better. You will get, they are right about the homemade garlic bread. Garlic bread made from this buttery spread is gonna taste like heaven. A must try recipe. You all should try it out. I'm gonna try out the garlic bread with this for sure. Mmm, so delicious and tasty this is. This won't taste good with chai. Don't dip it in chai. If you want to dip a bread in chai and try the normal Amul butter, this won't taste good with chai. But to have it plain on toast or in sandwiches, it's amazing. So overall, it has this nice and strong aroma, garlic and herbs aroma. Taste wise, it has a nice strong garlicky flavor to it with some herbs giving it a nice flavor of oregano. It has a strong buttery taste to it, salty buttery taste as well. Overall, I like the taste. It was lovely, and definitely making garlic breads with this is gonna taste like heaven. I do recommend this if you all want to try something different. You all want to try a different butter spread. Do try the Amul garlic and herbs, and you all won't regret buying it. It is that amazing. And at a price of 49, it's an amazing buy. 100-gram packet for just rupees 49. Guys, you can buy it online on Amazon through the link in my description below. Just go ahead to that link and go and buy it. Guys, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you all have liked it, and do subscribe to my channel for more such amazing videos.